Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up a job ad on Facebook so that you can find yourself a carpet cleaning technician that actually wants to work. We all know that right now one of the biggest problems that we've got is actually finding employees, and not only finding employees, but employees that actually want to work. It's probably one of the biggest problems that the carpet cleaning industry faces right now, is actually finding quality technicians that are prepared to show up every day and do a good job and stick around as well. If you've never heard of me before, if you're new to the channel, my name's John Williams and I'm the owner of a company called AGB, otherwise known as Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaners like you booked out with jobs on Autopilot with our specialist advertising and marketing system. In the last 12 months, we've spent over $2 million advertising carpet cleaners, so we know exactly what works, we know exactly what converts. We've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners over the years and continue to do so to this day. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as possible, not just survive, but thrive. Whether that's through working with us one-on-one in our digital marketing program or through this YouTube channel. Like I said, trying to find good quality employees, good quality technicians in this day and age is possibly one of the hardest things that you can do right now. And so I want to show you how you can post what's called a job post on Facebook for free to your community to actually try and find and filter out those good quality employees, those good quality technicians for your carpet cleaning business. And if you want to take it a step further, you can actually boost that post on Facebook and put $5-10 behind it and reach that higher audience as well. But there really is no better place to try and find those good quality technicians than Facebook, because when you put this job post up, anybody that's engaged with your business page is going to see it, so it could be past customers that might know somebody, friends, relatives, family, so on and so forth, and basically anybody that's engaged or liked with your page. And if you've been around for a while and you've got a good few likes and a good few followers, then there's every chance that these people are going to see this job post. There's always somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, right? And quite often, like, the best people, the best employees often come through people in your community, people that follow your business, people that you actually know, or whether that's past customers or otherwise, right? So it's a great place, it's a great platform to actually put together a job ad where you can collate resumes, CVs, filter out the good ones and kind of get them hooked in for an interview. And like I said, if you want to take it a step further, you can even put a few dollars behind it and it'll turn it into kind of an ad, and people all over your town or city will actually see it as well. But let's dive right into the training right now. So we're putting in here the job title. Facebook knows it's already got that in there. It's going to come up. Put in the location. Is it full-time, part-time, volunteer, contract? Hey, Washington community. Call out the area. Are you looking for full-time work? Question mark. Now you want to highlight the pain point. Are you looking for regular income and the chance to learn and grow with a fantastic family-owned business? Here at XYZ Steamers, we have an opening for a carpet cleaning technician. The role is full-time and all training will be given. If you already have experience, it's a huge plus, but not essential. We're looking for hardworking, decent and trustworthy individuals who genuinely want to work and turn up every day to join our fantastic family business. Additional benefits and commission on upsells are also available for those with sales skills. Click the button below to apply now. Now, what I would say is, it's really important that if you can find somebody that has those additional sales skills, because as per the other video that I made recently, if you haven't seen yet, check it out. Someone that's a really good people person is really going to help your business grow, because if they can walk into a house, build that rapport and upsell, then they might raise your ticket prices by $100 per job that they do, and if they can, again, even down to the customer experience and customer services and stuff like that, these people are going to be interacting in the customer's home. If they're great with people, then your customers are going to have a great customer experience and they're going to use you time and time again, right, and come back and use you. So not only someone with people skills can they upsell, but they can help you retain that business as well, so you can make money long term. Let's see if we can put this in here as well. People skills a must. And then in here, you might put into Emojipedia. Let's see what comes up. People holding hands. Here we go. Then you can put your salary in here, whatever it is, $40, $60, whatever that is per hour. Or you can don't want to add salary information. And then you can add in here screening questions. You can write a question. Are you good with people? It's pretty cool, right? How you can build this out so that you can make this job post, right? Like you can add the next question, so on and so forth. And then receive applications via email. So if you've got like your company, your head office or whatever, drop in, this is my email, john@growbusiness.com, blah, blah, blah. Require past employment resume, yes. And you can go in here, you can take that out, you can upload a picture if you want, so on and so forth. And then you go next. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to leverage Facebook job posts to find yourself a carpet cleaning technician for your carpet cleaning business. This is a 3-part mini series, so do make sure that you hit the subscribe button to the channel so that you get notified when the next part of this training comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head to the description where you'll find a link to our website. See you on the next one. Cheers.